Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Thank God for allowing this to happen. Thank you YouTube. Thank you to all my viewers. Okay, let's take a look at this little f16 lookalike. It's really cool. I think it's f16 something. I'll put it in the description or in the title. But without further ado, let's get this thing started up and see what we can do with it. It's a 3-channel. It takes a 3.7 volt 300 milliamp hour battery. There's no switch on this one, so we have to just plug the battery in. Looks like that tire a little crooked. Not much of a set of landing gear, but we're gonna hand launch this one. This thing is under $60 right now on Amazon. I'm not affiliated with Amazon. Just use your own discretion on where you buy it from. Just simply showing you what it's about. Okay, I'm gonna set it on the ground, power up the remote, throttle up, throttle down, and she should be bound. And it is. Here's a little gyro in there. We have a light button there, so we can shut the lights off. It's daylight. So just hit that once and it shuts the light off. You have your elevator control there and motor control for steering. And then you have your throttle control over here. And then these are for trim. And then you have your, over here is your stunt button. We'll see what it does. Wish me luck, guys. This is a maiden flight, fresh out of the box. Here we go. Oh, whoa. Well, I'm not sure why it went upside down, but let's try this again. It's probably the way I hand launched it. Try and toss it a different manner, or a different way. Get the nose dirty. Oh no, I pulled the nose off. Well, so far this isn't going well. Hopefully we'll have better luck here in a second. All right, let's see. Hey, that seems better. That's in the air, guys. Ooh, it's a little bit windy for this guy. Or girl, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna fly it anyway. Look at that thing. That's cool. I'll try to get out here a little bit further. Well, it's pretty zippy. Or a little foamy. Wind's about to carry it away. See if we can't do a stunt real quick. Look, I think it was trying to do a loop. It's a little too windy for it. Wow, that thing is acting goofy. Definitely want a calmer day to fly this on, I would say. This model came off of Amazon. I think I mentioned that. I ordered it from Amazon. There's no way to change the rates on this one that I've found. You have what you have there. Just calmer days would definitely be better. Staying in the air just fine. That's a little wonky when it comes this way. That's a little up and down. But it's flying. Let's try another. There, we pulled it off. Don't go in the trees. It can do the loops. You seen it there. Seen it here at Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Let me try to get a little bit closer. The shadow keeps getting further and further out. The sun's going down here. It's almost 7 o'clock p.m. Oh yeah, how about that, guys? Super cool. Definitely not a high wind flyer. Keep it calmer on calmer days, and you'll do just fine, I'm sure. Look at that, just float. Don't start it upside down like I did. It probably would have flew upside down, it looked like. But I figured you might like upright flight better. Right side up, whatever you want to say. Look at that thing. Haha, very cool. Try for another loop. That's all you can do. You can't do rolls. You can just do them loops. Very cool. Just like a backflip almost. Wee haw. Very neat. It did come with 3 batteries, so you have plenty of flight time, I'd imagine. I'm actually impressed with the flight time I get off of a 3.7 volt on these little foamy planes. It's unreal. I'm sure you've heard me say it before. My first airplane was only a minute flight, and then you had to glide it down. So these are way better than they used to be. Lots of fun for beginners and experts. I'm not saying I'm an expert, I'm just a guy who flies. I enjoy it. I'd like everybody else to get in there and enjoy it too. This is an affordable place to start for sure. Oh, look at it. It actually flies. Under $60 on Amazon. Once again, I'm not affiliated with Amazon. Use your own discretion on where you get it. That's up to you. I'm not trying to influence you in either way, or any way whatsoever. Just trying to let you see how they do. Give you a good demonstration, unboxing, how to set it up and get it in the air. That's what I'm here for. So anything you need to ask me, just ask questions and I'll do my best to get to you as soon as possible. Alright guys, I'm going to try to walk backwards here and see if I can't bring it in for a landing. I've flown it quite a while. The battery's going to be getting weak, I would say. Look at that wind's about to knock her out of the sky. That looks good. Only thing to the assembly is just gluing the tail fin on. No big deal. Comes with the glue. The only thing you need to get this thing in the air are 3 AAA batteries for the remote control or transmitter, whichever you prefer. And then you're good to go. And a nice calm day. That's what I would recommend. You can fly it in the wind, but just use your own discretion. It's not up to me, it's up to you. Alright, wow, what a cool plane, guys. I'll try some more flight on a calmer day. Always get nice windy days to try these, seems like. The Maiden's always on a windy day, but I'm thankful to have a day to fly. Okay, let's see if we can't bring it in to land it. Whoa, I caught it. I almost dropped it. There we go, guys. That's the F16. There you have it. Found it on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.